Hello, I'm here in the dark matter lab at Purdue, and I am Juehang, and I work for Dr. Rafael Lang. So it's a bit noisy in here. That's because there are a lot of pumps going on, but what we're really doing is we're trying to discover or detect dark matter. And dark matter essentially is just a part of our universe that we know is there. We can indirectly measure it, but we have not directly found it yet, and it actually makes up most of the matter in the universe. Our group here is part of two major international collaborations. One is the xenon collaboration, which operates the xenon n-time detector in Grad, Italy. And the detector is actually under a mountain that helps us shield against radiation and backgrounds from cosmic rays. And the second collaboration is called the wind chime collaboration, and it's newly formed. And really what we're trying to do there is we are looking for extremely heavy dark matter. So these two experiments are complementary. They look for different hypothetical types of dark matter because we don't really know what dark matter is yet. Some of my earliest memories about astronomy in particular are way back. I think I was 3 maybe, and my grandparents had a book. It was World Atlas, which really has nothing to do with astronomy. It's just a book of maps before Google Earth and all of that stuff came about. But at the back of that book there was a picture of the solar system. I guess it zoomed out a little, and I remember just asking my parents and my grandparents, what are the name of all of the planets? Where are they? Can we find them in the night sky? Things like that. And I think since then, I've just always been interested in astronomy. One thing that I'm really interested in right now is actually statistics and data analysis. And it's really funny because that's so far divorced from, I guess, astronomy in and of itself. But in some sense, I'm interested in both the big picture, the cosmos, and the big questions of what is happening. And I also just like solving technical problems. It's kind of fun to delve into the mathematics of it and write down some equations. And I think day to day, it's more of my interest in the details that get me going. Whereas sometimes it's really fun to zoom back out and look at the big picture and think about, wow, I'm actually working on this really huge enterprise. For my future, I think the plan, which as always plans can change, but what I hope to be doing in the future is I would very much like to do research. As a professor, you do research, but at the same time, I do like teaching as well. I think it is also really rewarding to be nurturing the next generation of scientists and researchers.